Hey, it's Chris and Will from LifterLMS, and we get asked a lot from freelancers and agencies, which license do I need or which bundle is right for me? So we're going to unpack that with you today. Will, at a high level, what are the three bundles that LifterLMS offers?
I'm here at lifterlms.com/pricing. This is where all that information is around the bundles. LifterLMS has three main bundles: the Earth Bundle, Universe Bundle, and Infinity Bundle. And LifterLMS, of course, sells all kinds of different add-ons for payment gateways, advanced functionality like advanced quizzes, assignments, all kinds of individual add-ons you can purchase on the store. But these bundles make it more cost-effective for businesses starting out, to businesses that are sort of building their email list and growing a little bit, to businesses that are building websites for clients and doing all kinds of things. So the bundles make it a little bit more approachable than just purchasing a bunch of individual add-ons and at different levels. So you can see the price up here at the top, and the value is just what's included in the bundle. Like if you were to purchase these individually, this is what it would cost. So really the price is right there up at the top. And you can see the LifterLMS core plugin that allows you to make courses, memberships, certificates, all kinds of free core features is included in each of these bundles. But then there's also active sites here and some tool tips to help explain what each of these mean. One active site just means one WordPress install that you can activate the products in the Earth Bundle on. The Universe Bundle has 5 sites, and the Infinity Bundle has unlimited sites. And in addition to the sites, the different number of sites you can have per bundle, there's also some different stuff included in each bundle. So you can see the Earth Bundle has those e-commerce add-ons, and then the Universe Bundle has e-commerce plus some more design, marketing, form stuff, and the Infinity Bundle includes everything. If you want to see a breakdown of everything included listed out, just scroll down the page a little bit. You can see Earth, Universe, Infinity. You can see exactly what add-ons are included in that bundle.
Let's look at support contacts and explain what that is.
For sure. Support contacts, or as we have it here, one tech support account, means that you can have, with the Earth Bundle, it's just one tech support account. So whoever purchases can submit tickets to our support team. So if there's any kind of questions you have, or some sort of issue or error you see on your website, usually the fastest and easiest way to solve those problems is by logging into your account at lifterlms.com and submitting a support ticket. And the tech support account is just how many people on your account can submit support tickets. So with the Earth Bundle, it comes with one support account, the one you purchase with. The Universe Bundle comes with 2 support accounts. So that's going to be the one you purchase with. And you can also add a tech support contact to your account. So maybe if you have a virtual assistant or someone on your team, you could add them to your bundle and they could submit tickets on your behalf. And then the Infinity Bundle has 3 tech support accounts. So you could have 2 people in addition to yourself in your organization submitting those support tickets.
So if I'm an agency owner or a freelancer, sometimes there's this question of whether I should, as an agency owner, buy my own license to use for the project, or I should recommend to my client that they should get the license, and then maybe I might be the support contact on their behalf or whatever. But how does one figure out which way to go, whether to, as a freelancer or agency owner, should I buy the license myself, or should I encourage my client to get the license?
Yeah, so I've kind of done it both ways. I used to do a lot of freelance work with Lifter stuff, and I've kind of done it both ways. With the Infinity Bundle, we have that unlimited active sites, and that really encourages agencies who build sites for others to purchase the LifterLMS Infinity Bundle and then build sites for others using their license. But with tech support, so if your customers have questions about LifterLMS and issues, errors, stuff like that, they'll have to contact you instead of contacting Lifter directly. So that's where it might be useful to have like sort of that layout where you build sites for others on your license. If you're going to be selling them sort of a package that includes maybe other things outside of LifterLMS, maybe you're offering a hosted solution or something like that, where customers just pay you a flat rate every month, and then you include LifterLMS along with other tools, that might be a situation where you'd want to buy it and then have your clients on your license. Or if you're just setting up a site for someone else, maybe just a site setup is the job, and then you're going to walk away from the project, that might be where you'd want the client to purchase a license so that they own each tool that's a part of their website. If it's more of a temporary relationship or more of a permanent relationship is where you'd want to kind of consider that difference.
I like that. So it's really comes down to who's going to be doing the tech support of the site after it launches. If the client's going to be doing it, they should really probably have their own license. But if you as the agency are going to continue to support any Lifter LMS related part of the project on behalf of the client, then you should have your own license.